Kelsey, you're gonna have to run too.
Go. I don't care if I have to. Who's the fastest?
I am.
I'm not running up there with my camera.
Actually, Denton is the fastest.
I'll go kind of halfway up. I'm just waiting here. I don't want to drop my camera.
I'll wait with you. I shot my camera off of the rock climbing thing at camp. It's like, oh shit.
Knock really, really loud. I don't know. Kevin, hurry up. I feel like a fucking creeper. Where's Kevin? Kevin! Where's Kevin? Where'd he go?
But I wasn't sure if it worked so well too. That'd be funny if you like came out and looked, and it's like people standing there with the camera. Hello. Where the hell is Kevin?
You know what we should do? We should put on some chase music.
What chase music do you have?
Ew.
It would have been better if his dog was there because his dog barks when he's sneaking.
No.
That's something.
Oh my goodness.
What's happening? That's not Kevin. No, it's not.
Find that Asian.
Kevin.
Let's play Find That Asian.
I should text you and just be like, I think I lost your breath.
Okay, don't run when there's cars around. Here he comes. Kevin, where the shit were you? Okay, what just happened? What happened?
I don't know. I just went back and then I looked over and there was like, the door was kind of open and there was like light coming in, but I didn't see who it was. I just saw like kind of a head.
We'll be talking to him tomorrow in science class.
Was it dark here?
So, Dylan.
Bye, Dylan.
What did